Blinky.
It actually feels like it's fully salad and everything.
No way, is that because it's full of salad and everything?
That's not even like salad at all.
Is it not?
I know what it's called.
So it's just a death sub?
Like meat. Just meat and cheese. It's a bit. Oh! I think I just want it. Imagine if I eat this, eh?
Imagine if you eat it. Well, I'm imagining it right now and it's a bit of ham.
Unless they see inside.
Oh, this
More
looks delicious.
gravy.
Look at it. That is delicious.
Whoa! Okay, camera's at the other side there. Oh my god.
Has it got gay bacon in it?
Probably no.
No, it's got veal bacon.
Oh, fucking awful. That is so awesome. You tasted it, that's really good. Really good.
Holy shit.
That is really good.
Pass in.
Well, everyone's what it tastes like.
Pass it in.
There's so much meat.
That's really good. There's so much meat. Oh, both to be gay bite. I think I'm going to have a meat attack. Or spew up. I'm not sure.
The pepperoni.
How does it feel, Blinky?
Fucking good.